Welcome to YouTube channel Physics, Theory and Numericals, where we are providing you high quality MCQ videos for easy and joyful understanding of physics, theories and concepts of life. Once you understand the theories, handling of MCQs and numericals will be easy. Also welcome to the best MCQ series videos for ICSE Class 10 Physics. We have designed this best MCQ series videos with lot of care. Here we are providing you high quality MCQs. We are starting from very basic fundamental level. We are moving on to more difficult level of MCQs. With each and every MCQs, we are providing you explanations so that you can refresh your concept and strengthen them. These are just not videos, these are mock tests. With each and every MCQs, we are providing you reasonable time through a timer so that you can come to your option before we take you to the answer. If you calculate, these videos are with very high learning volume to time spent ratio. This video is with 14 MCQs and I think it will be around 20-minute video. So if you calculate, you will get a very high learning volume to time spent ratio. So we will suggest you to go through the entire video, enjoy the high quality MCQs and take the learning from it. This video is for Ohm's law and resistance under your current electricity chapter. First MCQ. The resistance of a metallic wire does not depend on which of the following. For 10 seconds time for you. Easy one. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is density of the material. Density of the material is nowhere related to the resistance of an wire. It is rho L by A. Rho L and A. And of course temperature also. Next MCQ. You have been given two VI graph for two material, resistance A, resistance B. You need to find out which resistance is more. 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is resistance A is more than resistance B. How it is so? Let's understand. See what you do. You take the same value of current and see what is the value of voltage. Look at the green line. We have taken same value of current. Now for RA, the value of the voltage is more. For RB, value of the voltage is less. That means RA will be more than RB. Same MCQ in a little different way. Here the graph is IV graph. Now you need to tell which resistance is more. 10 seconds time for you to think. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is here RB is higher than RA. That is RA is less than RB. That is option C. How? Again, you take the same value of current and see for which case voltage is more. For RB, the voltage value is more for same value of current. So RB is more than RA. Rather, RA is less than RB. So option C. Next MCQ. 4 VI graphs have been shown. You need to tell which one is for ohmic characteristics. 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A and B. Because Ohm's law says V by I is constant. That means each slope must be constant. Each slope must not be varying. That is true for case A and B. Next MCQ. This VI graph is showing a non-ohmic resistance characteristics. Now you need to tell at which point the resistance is maximum. So its V by I is not constant, it's varying. Okay. Now it tell at which point the V by I value is maximum. That means resistance value is maximum. 4 points A, B, C, D. 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option D. That is point D is showing the maximum resistance. How? So what you need to do? You need to do tangent at 4 different places, and you need to find where it is most steep, where the slope is maximum. The slope is maximum at point D, so at point D the resistance is maximum. If an wire of resistance R is stretched to make its length 3 times, then the new resistance of the stretched wire will be 4 options. 15 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. If you require more time, do pause the video, take your time, get your answer and come back to the video. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A. How? Let's understand. So stretched means volume is unchanged. So if the length becomes 3 times, so area will become 1/3 times, because length into area will give you the volume. So if length is 3 times, volume area becomes 1/3. So resistance is equal to rho L by A. You put the value of new length and new area, you will get the new resistance as R times. Here take note of one thing. So if it is stretched to n times, then resistance will become n squared times. So here it has become 3 times, so new resistance has become 9 times. If it is stretched to 4 times, new resistance will become 16 times. So it is n square relation. The electric resistance of a certain wire of iron is R. If its length and radius both are doubled, then what happens? There are 4 statements. Let us read the statements. What are these? The resistance will be doubled and the specific resistance will be halved. Resistance will be halved and specific resistance will remain unchanged. The specific resistance will be halved and specific resistance will be doubled. The resistance and the specific resistance both will remain unchanged. 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option B. See, length and radius is doubled, so specific resistance will not change. So the case where it says specific resistance will be halved or doubled, you ignore that. So A and C gone. Option D says even resistance also will remain unchanged. Why? Both of them are becoming double. Why resistance will remain unchanged? So D also is gone. So it is option B. Hope you are liking this video. Please subscribe to the video in case you have already not subscribed. Like, share and comment on the video and press the bell icon. Let's continue. Circuit given. You need to find the potential difference between A and B. You have been given a voltmeter. What will be the reading of the voltmeter? 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Do take extra time if you require extra time. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option B, that is 6 volt. How it is so? Very quickly calculate the current. The total resistance of the circuit is 3 ohm plus 1 ohm, that is 4 ohm. Voltage is 8 volt, so current is 2 ampere. The moment the current is 2 ampere, find out the potential difference between A and B by multiplying 2 ampere with 3 ohm. So that is 2 into 3, that is 6 volt. Next MCQ. Refer to the circuit diagram. There are 3 voltmeters shown in 3 different places across 3 different resistors. You need to give the readings of the voltmeter. That means what is the voltage across 2 ohm resistor, 3 ohm resistance and 5 ohm resistors. So give the readings of the voltmeters V1, V2 and V3. 20 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Do it yourself. If required, take extra time. More you try, more you learn. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option C. How it is so? Very quickly find out the current. It's a series circuit. Total resistance you find out. Total resistance is 2 plus 3 plus 5, that is 10 ohm is the total resistance. Voltage is 20 volt. Get the current. Get the voltage drop across each resistor. So 2 ohm into 2, that is 4 volt. 2 ohm in 3 ohm into 2 ampere, that is 6 volt. 5 ohm into 2 ampere, that is 10 volt. So answer is option C. Next MCQ is similar one. You need to find out the currents in A1, A2, A3, A4. Look at the circuit diagram. You need to find out the value of A1, A2, A3, A4, 4 ammeters. That means you need to find out the current in all the branches. 20 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option C. That is 11 ampere, 5 ampere, 4 ampere, 2 ampere. How? First find out I4. See this vertical line. The left vertical line is plus 20 volt. Right vertical line is 0 volt. The difference between the two lines is 20 volt. And across the two lines resistors are connected. So you have got 20 volts across 10 ampere. That means I4 will be 20 by 10. I3 will be 20 by 5. I2 will be 20 by 4. So you get all the currents, that is 2 ampere, 4 ampere, 5 ampere, and I1 will be sum total of all these 4 currents. So it will be 11 ampere. So answer is option C. Next MCQ. In this figure, look at the circuit diagram. You have been given the value of I1, that is 4 ampere. You need to find out the value of I2 and I. Look at the circuit diagram. Get the values of I2 and I. 15 seconds time for you. Your time starts now with a freedom to take extra time. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option B. How it is show? See, this you look at point B and C. Now against point B and C, in the upper part, what is the voltage drop? The current is 4 ampere. Okay, so total resistance is 1 ohm plus 3 ohm, that is 4 ohm is the total resistance, and 4 ampere current going through it. That means the between B and C the voltage difference is 16 volt. Because if the difference between B and C is 16 volt, then only the current will be 4 ampere. 16 by 4 ohm, that is 4 ampere. So you got the voltage difference between B and C. Now find out the current in I2 path, that is 16 by 8 ohm, that is 2 ohm. I2 is 2 ohm. The moment you got I2 is 2 ohm, I is I1 plus I2, that is I will be 6 ampere. So answer is option B. Go step by step, use your fundamental knowledge. Now, a small tricky one. What will be the reading of the voltmeter V? A circuit has been shown. What will be the reading of this voltmeter V? 10 seconds time for you. Time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D, that is 20 volt. How it is so? See, this 20 volt, in case there is current, this 20 volt will get dropped in these resistances. Now here it is open circuit. The circuit is open and also voltmeter resistance is very high, ideally infinity. So this circuit is open. That means there is no voltage drop on the path. That means entire 20 volt will come across the open terminal. That means it will come across the voltmeter. So voltmeter will read the entire 20 volt because there is no current drop. There is no voltage drop in the circuit because there is no current. It's an open circuit. Next MCQ. 3 copper wires of lengths and cross section areas are given. One is LA, another is 2L and A by 2, another is L by 2 and 2A. For which case the resistance is minimum, where length is L, where length is 2L, where length is L by 2, and all resistance are same. 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option C. For option C, that is where the length is L by 2, the resistance value is minimum. What you need to do, you need to find out the ratio of length by area. You have been given different lengths, different areas. You find out the ratio for which case it is minimum. So for the case where length is L by 2, the length by area value is minimum. So the resistance will be minimum in that case. Next MCQ. You need to match the two columns. First column is use of the wire and second column is the material that is used for that wire. So you need to match the two columns. Under use of wire there are 5 items, 5 applications given and 5 material. You need to select the material for the use. You need to choose from the options. 15 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. If you require, do take extra time. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option D. Let's understand it. Let's take a closer look. Done the color matching. See, for heater, toaster, oven, nichrome wire is used. For protective fuse, we use alloy of lead and tin. For standard resistor, manganese constantan. For bulb filament, it is tungsten. For power transmission, it is copper or aluminium. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel in case you have not already subscribed. Please like, share and comment on the video and press the bell icon. There will be a good number of MCQ videos on this chapter. We will be coming up with many such videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye till we come back with the next video. See you.